Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in today's video. Once again, I'm in my car and we are moving towards Chandigarh, and this time I'm going to explore a new place, which is a cafe in Chandigarh. I have heard so much about that cafe. The cafe name is Books and Brew. It is basically a books cafe where you can read, you can study, and while doing that you can have a cup of coffee, or you can also munching so many other things. So I've heard so many good things about this cafe. I have never been to this place earlier, so today I'm going to explore that place, and I'm going to see how that will turn out. I'm hoping that it will turn good, because I really don't want it to turn bad on me, because that might can make me sad, because I'm not that cafe person. So I really want to explore it and can add it to the hit on list, so that I can recommend this to you people, so that you can also go and visit this place at least once and can try out the stuff. So without a further ado, let's get started and see how the place will turn out. So it is there, Books and Brew. As soon as you start taking the stairs to go upstairs towards this cafe, you will start feeling the abstractness of this cafe from the stairs only. You can see a lot of things are painted on the stairs as well. Once you enter it, this is how the whole cafe looked like. I believe the theme is they have kept everything in wooden theme, because everything was made out of bamboo sticks or maybe of wooden. You will see a lot of good things in this cafe. I'll start with the sitting. You can see here we have two areas where you can see. One is the below area where you can use a table chair, and other is the up area where they have good quality of couches and beddings, where you can take these stairs and can go up and can sit and enjoy your visit. If you look to the wall, if you look to the ceiling of this cafe, you can see this is all made up of very thin bamboo sticks, where a lot of dream catchers and different variety of bamboo lamps are there, which actually give a complete boho and ethnic kind of a vibe to the whole cafe. I will call it as a Pinterest kind. You will get a lot of good options to click a very good amount of pictures as well. So once you look to the walls and the other areas, as this is a books cafe, you will get a lot of good shelves with a lot of good variety of books as well. Here we have a different kind of a small room where some good horror stories, some good other story books are placed. You can read it, of course, and you can keep them back. You can see that here I observed that this particular place is being used by a lot of youngsters and college going people. They come with their friends, they sit on the above section basically, play music, they play games, and then they hang around and enjoy their visit to this cafe. One thing more very interesting which I found here is they give you a lot of options to play indoor games, like they have chess game, they have ludo, they have snakes and ladders, they have blocks and some other games as well. You can of course pick any of your choice and can play around. Now if I talk about food, they also serve a good quality and variety of food here, starting from pizzas, burgers, soups, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, shakes, sodas, and there are so many other varieties of food here as well. Now we decided to sit on the lower flooring area, which was at the back, and we wanted to enjoy our visit that way. So one thing which I basically liked about this cafe is, the cafe gives you a very enjoyable vibe, and moreover it's like a new thing to experience. So this is how the whole 360 view I have showed you, I think, of the cafe look like, and you can see a lot of shelves here, people are enjoying, and you can see handmade paintings here, and I think all the drawings are being painted by hand only. we decided to enjoy our visit with some drinks and with some food. And then we decided to play snakes and ladder with each other. Me and my husband visited there. So this is how you can enjoy, and of course I recommend this place to you. At least once you can come. And for if you're a teenager, if you're a college going, if you're a youngster who really love music and want to hang around at different places, and I think this is the best place to visit. I'm not so sure if you will keep on coming to this place, because if you are a person who like to explore, then there are so many other cafe in Chandigarh as well. But yes, if you want to experience a new place, you want to come with your friends and can enjoy, I think this is the best place where you can come at least once and can enjoy your visit. Now, if I talk about the quality of the food, the quality of the food was really good. We didn't order much, as you can see here. We only ordered veg noodles plus some drinks to have. Whatever we had was really amazing. We really liked it. And if I talk about pricing is also not too on a higher side. It is on an economical side, as the price was all similar. Whatever the amount we'll be paying in the other cafes, it's similar in this cafe. So yeah, overall I really like it. So yes guys, all in all, I really like the cafe. At least for one visit, I really liked it. Now if I'm not that book person, I'm not that cafe person, so if you love to eat and to read, then this is the place for you guys. Enjoy yourself. At least come once and enjoy this place. Take care. Bye bye.
That is it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will keep my reviews in mind. So I shall meet you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. This can be helpful to somebody else as well. I shall meet you in my next one. Till then, you take care. God bless you. Bye bye.